Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Hello. So I'm not going to show my face because I'm tired and worn out, but I wanted to get a quick tour. So this is basically the house when we just signed the papers. So I'm trying to, it's a townhome, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, semi-finished basement. Just, come on, there we go. I don't know why this is not focusing. Can y'all see this? Let me turn it around. I'm gonna have to get my tablet. All right, guys, so this is the house. Walk. So I just finished painting. So that's the front door. That's where I was. And we have some vacuums and shampooers. Let me just tell y'all that invest in a good shampooer and vacuum, because ours have been a lifesaver. Now we love Shark and Bissell, so those are the brands that I'm recommending. But yeah, beautiful hardwood floors. As you can see, that's the living room that I just showed you, the living room. Then we have the dining room. Now it is kind of cloudy, thunderstormy out right now, so I'm sorry about the lighting, but I hope you guys can, like, you know, see. This is a big archway to the kitchen, so this is all our stuff we've been working in here. So the appliances are a little older, but they redid the cabinets. The countertops are a little older as well, but we're going to paint those with some granite countertop paint. I've seen a lot of DIYs online and they look really, really nice. In terms of the appliances, we're going to get some new ones. We're thinking around Black Friday when the sales are. The great thing is that because the rental market is like insanely hot right now, and I say insanely, so much so that our realtor has people coming to us because they need places, because a lot of the inventory in the housing market is so small that I'm just showing you guys that people still need places to live even though they can't buy a house. And for this house, we're getting $1,800 a month in rent. The tenant will be moving in July 1st. So it is currently what, I'm sorry, y'all, my mind is like shambles. It's June 3rd. So we have a, you know, a little bit while, you know, to get everything together, but we're going to get this done probably next week or two, honestly. We do have to get a rental inspection. Our township requires it. We think it's a good thing because, you know, they want to make sure that the houses, you know, are suitable for tenants, but also if tenants don't pay, our township still does do evictions. Even though, you know, there may be a national moratorium, the state still does it. So we're going to go upstairs. I painted the top part of the railing, just some sweat equity. I have paint like all over me, guys, but put some sweat equity into your homes. Like I got to shampoo the steps, but these things are going to look so brand new when I'm done. Why pay someone when I can just do it? So like I said, 3 bedrooms. This is the hallway here. So this is the bedroom. All the curtains are closed because I'm about to leave. So gotta shampoo the carpets. See the light? Hope you guys can see this. Shelves. They use this as an office. We're still shampooing the floors, but yeah. Great carpet though. I mean, great carpet. Just a little dirty, you know, which is expected. Like my little socks, guys. I like to be comfortable when I clean. But yeah, shampoo the floors. Go over to the main bedroom. Again, as you can see right there, shampoo the floors. But my husband is still touching up, but he's pretty much done in here. Again, window, have everything shut. It keeps things cool and helps me to work in peace. They moved, the sellers took the door off, which, you know, we don't care. My husband we'll go over to Lowe's and get one of those, you know, regular doors, closet doors that's like $50, and he'll put it on himself. Let me tell you guys, it is so nice to have somebody who is handy, who know how to fix stuff, because he's saving us a lot of money right now. Because he know how to do a lot of things, which is really, really awesome. Okay. So this is the 3rd and final bedroom. Ceiling fan, window. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And carpets, you know, cleaning the carpets with the shampooer. Well, we'll deep clean them. As you can see, I have a shampooer there and a shampooer here. So I would suggest, you know, to invest in one. This is the bathroom. They redid the bathroom. Turn the light on so you guys can see. I'm trying to do this slowly. It's not a whole lot here. I gotta clean and wash the tub out because I was trying to rinse out the shampooer, and now I should have done it in the toilet versus dump it out in the tub, but you know, you live and you learn. But ever since then, I've been dumping it out in the toilet. But yeah, flooring, they redid the shower. So like I said, I'm cleaning that out. Really, really nice. Yeah, bathroom. So let's move on. So that's the upstairs. Let me show you guys downstairs. Yep, just go on down. We really think we got a great value for this house because again, we paid $170,000 for it. And right now the house is worth $180,000. There's a house that actually went on the market down the street for $190,000. There's one around the corner for $215,000. Same type of houses. Same type of houses. The market is just really, really hot right now. Okay, so this is going down into the finished or semi-finished basement. You'll see that they have this ugly old tile, but my husband will have 2 boxes of the floating tile that he will put down himself, him and his nephew, because they do this flooring type stuff. Well, my nephew does, but they said they can get this done in like an hour. It's not a whole lot. Floating tile, you know, just put right on top of this, and then paint. So the seller's daughter was really artistic, so she put this on the wall. We're going to paint this white along with the wall because the walls are like blue, like a light blue. But we're going to paint all this, paint all of that. I'm actually thinking of painting this too because I really do think this is nice. If we paint it, maybe put some baskets in there. I think that it will, you know, be a nice seating area. Maybe put some, I have a sewing machine, so I like to sew, in case you guys didn't know that about me. And I could get some fabric, you know, nothing too expensive from like Joann's or something, and, you know, put around there because I think that is really nice. And back here is the garage and, you know, your wash, dry, utility tub. Like I said, it's dark because it's kind of thunderstorming. So yeah, flooring there and in here. And that's pretty much it. It looks like a lot, but it really isn't. But I really do like the fact that we're putting some sweat equity into our homes. That's something that we really don't mind doing because, you know, we can get it at a decent value. Though these houses out here kind of look a mess and people are still buying them anyway. And we did not want a property that was kind of like turnkey, although I feel like this is kind of turnkey a little bit. But once we're done putting the updates that we want to put in it, I think that, you know, everything will, you know, work out fine. I can tell you that we probably spent or will spend total about $1,500 to get everything. I can tell you guys that paint has really surprised me. Let me show you this paint. This paint right here. So we figured, you know what, let's go ahead and get the one with the paint and the primer. And you know, the one where you're gonna do one coat. This stuff was $42.88 a gallon. And we had to get like 4 or 5 of them. So again, guys, just the supplies, make sure you put that in your budget. The eating out, okay? We have been eating out so much because by the time I get home, your girl is tired. And the first thing the kids ask when I walk into the house is, Mom, what's for dinner? And so I just go through a drive-through. So I've been trying to batch cook now, so that, you know, I don't spend too much money. But yeah, that's the house, guys. That's the second rental property. Like I said, we are finishing up the paperwork for our third. We're gonna refinance our first home and do a cash out. Since we have like $70,000 in equity, we're gonna take out $50,000 and buy another house like this in the same neighborhood, hopefully, you know, because these are houses that rent out very easily. And like I said, $1,800 a month. Tenant will be in here in July 1st. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I will do a video once we're done everything, so you guys can see like the before and after. But I wanted to show you like a raw state, you know, because sometimes, you know, presenting this whole rental property real estate thing can be really glittery and it takes work. I mean, I got paint on my arms and hands. My hair is a mess, my clothes is a mess. Spend hours over here working to do it right. But you know, it's something that's really fulfilling and thrilling to us. So again, guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below. And until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.